Oh, so interesting this figurine, and so clever the person who practiced. It's so beautiful, all of them. Handicraft. Wow, so beautiful, guys. Wow, even the halls over here, beautiful.